Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this Miady Desk Lamp. It's an eye protection table lamp, and we're going to see how it works. And just stay tuned and watch the video and follow me on this unboxing. We ordered this because our old desk lamp broke, and we wanted to have something that has LED lights and that has different brightness levels so that my husband can do his reading and everything. So it is packed actually super secure, also in a lot of foil, so the plug is extra. So yeah, I'm gonna plug it in as soon as I unboxed it. Okay, so let me unbox this lamp here. So first of all, I think it is pretty. It is pretty, and it is not too big and not too small. It has you can twist this whole lamp to different directions. So if you want to shine the light towards something like a book or something, you can just twist it. You can bend it down. You can lift it up, and as you can see, you don't see the LEDs, but there are like tons of LEDs under this plastic here, hidden. So this is why it's called eye protection, because it really does not bother your eyes. And then you have, here is everything is touch screen. So I have to find out how this works. We're going to turn it on and see what these different buttons can do. Okay, so I did turn the lamp on and I made the room dark. And the cable is actually pretty long, so if you have a plug a little further away, it is gonna still work. And for demonstration purposes, I just brought a book that we can see what this lamp can do. So on this first button, this big round button, you turn it on and off, and it also changes the colors of the light. So it has yellow light, it has white light, and it has a mix of both. So this is the yellow light right now. Then we have, okay, I pushed it twice by accident. This is the white light, the yellow light, and this is a mixture of both of them. And the fourth time you turn it off. So the first button is just to turn it on and off and to change the light color. And then we have these buttons here, these little dots. They start with a small dot and end with a super big dot. And you can just change the brightness of your lamp. You have 10%, 40%, 80% or something, or 60% and 100% on the last button. So let's test this out. So you can also still read this even when you turn it down. Maybe you read in the bed and you just want to have it nice and cozy. And then you have the second button, it makes it brighter. The third button, even brighter, and the last button makes it 100% brightness. Okay, so I love it. It is actually pretty nice. As you can see, it's really bright, and when we turn it back to the first one, you actually see the little LED dots you can see in the video, but I see all the little LEDs inside of there when the lamp is not so bright. And like I said, you can twist it in all directions wherever you want to read, or whatever you want to do, write something with this lamp. It's super flexible. The cable is long. You have different brightness levels. You have different colors. You can make white light, yellow light. So whatever you prefer, and maybe multiple people use the lamp and they prefer different colors of the lamp. So it works perfectly, and I would highly recommend you buying this beautiful lamp.